morning class. Now we have the chapter number 6 for Haloalkane and Haloarenes for class 12, and we have start this chapter. First their nomenclature, how do we have name the organic compound with the haloalkane and haloarenes. First, that is haloalkanes. They are derivative of alkenes. Haloalkanes. That means they are mono, di and tri and tetra derivatives of alkane. They are known as haloalkanes. Simply, halo means halogen and alkane they are saturated hydrocarbon, and when their hydrogen are replaced by halogens, they form haloalkane. For example, here we have discussed here, that is for a methane Ch-4, and it react with a chlorine in presence of light. What happened? It this substitute one hydrogen by one chlorine atom. Okay, and there is the formation of what? There is the formation of methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Okay, so it is a alkane and it is a halogen. And what the name of this halogen? That is chlorine. Okay, so what happened? The methane Ch4, the formula having 4 hydrogen, when react with the chlorine molecule in the presence of sunlight, what happened? It substitute one hydrogen and form methyl chloride and this is a byproduct which is known as hydrogen chloride. Methyl chloride is the common name, but for IUPAC name, what we have write? We have write 1-chloromethane. Okay, what the IUPAC name of this compound? 1-chloromethane. Okay, so it's the derivative of alkane, is known as haloalkane. This reaction is not a one-step reaction. This reaction continues till when the 4 hydrogen get substituted, till get going on. Okay, and this is what the mechanism behind this reaction. The mechanism behind this reaction is free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. And again this reaction is continued here. When again methyl chloride react with again a chlorine molecule in presence of light, what happened? Again one hydrogen can be substituted here. Here the formation of here dichloromethane, here 1,1 dichloromethane. This is the IUPAC name, 1,1 di. Why we have using di? Because the chlorine is coming 2 times, so we have to indicate this with the di. It is coming 3 times, we have say tri, and 4 times we have say tetra. After that chloro, and this is coming from methane. This is their IUPAC name. Again the byproduct is formed hydrogen chloride HCl. Again this dichloromethane react with again the chlorine molecule, substitution happen again, and one hydrogen also now get substitute. There is a formation of trichloromethane, and what the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is 1,1,1 and the hyphen. Yet as you will say that here how many chlorine? 3. So then we use a term that is trichloro. For chlorine we have used chloro, and for bromine, bromoiodine for iodine, as one where is coming from. This is their IUPAC. Again this the common name is also, when who told this? Yeah, it is a chloroform. Right? It is known as chloroform. And the last one, that is CHCl3, when react with the chlorine again in form CCl4, and the byproduct is what? HCl again. Okay, what the name? That is 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1, then hyphen. That is how many times chlorine is coming? That is 4 times. So it is called tetra chloro methane. What the common name of carbon tetrachloride? Sorry, it is the common name. What the common name? It is the carbon tetrachloride. It is the common name. Okay, I hope so. You will understand this topic. What is haloalkane? The haloalkane is a derivative of saturated alkane, and you use in the place of chlorine. You also use bromine, and now the name will be changes. What